Let me tell you a little something, 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 something. Kicking with Ben. Oh, this is Kicking with Ben. Let me let you know that or something. But Kicking with Ben has just found out that there's a, y'all know what handcuffs is? I found that there's another definition for handcuffs besides locking your wrists together with some apparatus and chains between them. Hello. Kicking with Ben done found another definition for handcuffs. Hello. Him just found out that they was trying to lock Attorney General Bill Barr up for him to testify, but he done hired him a high lawyer at Mr. Durham, and they done turned the tables around on him, and we found out a different definition of handcuffs. Hello. Let me tell y'all what the definition of handcuffs is. It's the high Democrats. I ain't talking about these local Democrats. I ain't talking about, you know, like these folks like me around these low class. I ain't saying low class, but these low levels. I'm gonna say low levels. I ain't talking about them. I'm talking about these high level Democrats like Nancy Pelosi, Chuck Schumer. And all them fellas, you know. Hillary Clinton and Obama and Jeff Sessions and all them, you know. You know, Jeff Sessions is the one that's backing up them caravans coming up through Mexico, out them, whatever that country is down there south of Mexico, coming up through our borders, because all the Democrats want them in here for to get votes, because they can vote without being legalized. Hello. Anyway, Kicking with Ben just want to let his family know that he knows what's going on. It ain't no secret. Hello. Y'all better get on the Trump train or y'all gonna be off in the river some dang way. But anyway, this is Kicking with Ben, and we will kick it again. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and tap that notification bell when I decide to sling another one out of one of these Trump hats here, my combat boots, maybe my Justin boots, or off that John Deere tractor I was rolling around the house today. But until then, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if I didn't say it before. But until then, later, guys. Wow!